Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can retrieve your Mobile Legends account. So for that I will be showing you in the emulator, but you can use your mobile device as well. It is the same process. So you'll have to launch your game, and then from the home page you'll have to go to your profile, and then you'll see account at the bottom. Press on that, and then at the right side you'll see account center. You'll have to press on that. So in the account center you'll see a bunch of options, and then you'll see the retrieve account button. You'll have to press on that, and it will take you to a browser. It will be an account recovery center, and you'll have to recover your account by auto verification and in-game verification. So you'll have to keep in mind the tip at the bottom. When recovering accounts with self-service, please don't log out or nor run your app in the background, otherwise your progress will be lost. So make sure you don't log out. So you'll have to do it you can do it either auto verification or in-game verification. So if you do in-game verification, you'll have to copy your server ID and then your in-game name. So to get your server ID, what you'll have to do is you'll have to go back to your game, go back to your profile, and beneath your name you'll see your server ID. You'll have to copy it and then paste it here, and then simply you write your in-game name as well. So let me do that quick. So as you can see, I've copied the server ID here and pasted here, and then your in-game name here as well. So after that, what you'll have to do is you'll have to press confirm, and then you'll have to answer some questions like how many heroes do you own, like for security and verification, and then you'll have to do a CAPTCHA as well. And then it will take you to this result page where they will show you if your verification is done rightly or not, and then you'll be in the done page and you will retrieve your account. So this is how you can do it. That is all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.